Hi, my name's Ellie and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your own Cricut Joy Xtra machine so you can get started in making your own fun projects at home. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Open your Cricut Joy Xtra box and remove any packaging. Inside the box you will find an envelope containing your warranty, test materials and information on how to set up your machine. You will also find the following: A4 light grip cutting mat, Cricut Joy pen, power cable, weeding tool, transfer tape, permanent smart vinyl, smart iron-on vinyl, printable waterproof sticker paper, printable iron-on for light fabrics and the Cricut Joy Xtra machine. Start by inserting the power cable into the back of the machine. Open the machine by pulling the front cover downwards. Download the free Cricut Design Space app on your laptop, desktop, tablet or mobile device. If you've not already got one, create your free Cricut ID. If you do already have one, log into your account. Select Machine Setup. Select your Cricut Joy machine from the list to begin the setup process. When prompted, connect your device and machine via Bluetooth. The name of the machine can be found on the bottom of your Cricut Joy Xtra. Your machine will then begin updating. Before using the Cricut Joy Xtra, ensure that you have at least 30 cm of space behind your machine, as the mat will be rolling through the back. This also applies to smart materials. In the included welcome pack, you will have received some practice materials. Follow the on-screen instructions to carry out your test cut. Insert the vinyl into the machine under the two white tabs. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin cutting. Once the cut is complete, an unload button will appear. Tap this button and the smart vinyl will unload from the machine. The Cricut Joy Xtra can cut materials up to 21.6 cm wide and 1.2 meters long when using smart materials. The print and cut function can also be used to create stickers for notebooks, jars and more. As well as cutting, the Cricut Joy can also be used to draw and foil. Simply insert the pen or swap over the blade when prompted to in the Cricut Design Space.